Different legs.
Kangaroo.
Different shells. Different legs.
We have learned the words like friend, wave, and go. Tell your partner the words for like. Yes, Bina means like. Tell your partner the word for friend. Yes, Tawon means friend. Tell your partner the word for wave. Yes, Miraya means wave. Tell your partner the word for go. Yes, Tati means go. Tell your partner the words for like. Tell your partner the word for friend. Tell your partner the word for wave. Tell your partner the word for go. Wadara. I am Daisy. This is Nas. This is Coley. We are going to start teaching you a song. Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr. I am happy.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, Jesusngu.
Wawu-garrbunthirr means happy. Jesusngu means for Jesus.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr.
I am happy.
Track the word as I speak.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr. Wawu-garrbunthirr is happy. Say wawu, say ga, say tir. Say wawu-garrbunthirr. Say wawu-garrbunthirr. Say wawu-garrbunthirr. Say ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr. I am happy. Say ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr. Say ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr. Say ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr. Say to your partner, I'm happy.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr.
Sing with us.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, Jesusngu.
Now you sing.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, Jesusngu.
I'm happy for Jesus.
Track the word as I speak.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr. Jesusngu. Jesusngu is for Jesus. Say Jesus. Say ngu. Say Jesusngu. Say Jesusngu. Say Jesusngu. Say Jesusngu. Say to your partner, I'm happy for Jesus.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, Jesusngu.
Sing with us.
Ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, ngayu wawu-garrbunthirr, Jesusngu.
Now you sing. Let's read the words we need to remember. Wawu-garrbunthirr means happy. Jesusngu means for Jesus. This is the end of the lesson. So it's time to say goodbye. Dah, Magara.